This is the door cable for the door, and here's the spring. To remove it, you have that one screw, and you have to remove it from the wheel from over there. And here's the screw. It's not working. Right? There it is. What's next? Disconnect that door cable from the hinge and the wheels. And now remove the door spring. There we go, removed. Then we are going to tighten the spring a little bit. This is the cable for the door. It connects via there from there. Here we go. Going back in. Okay. There is the cable for the wheels, and the spring is over here. It doesn't work on the first try. Still does not work.